Left-wing parties should establish a strong transfer pact in upcoming elections in order to bring about an alternative left government. Delegates at the People Before Profit Solidarity's annual conference in Dublin heard today. There were also calls for a boycott campaign against the upcoming Ireland-Israel soccer match.
People Before Profit Solidarity elected representatives and delegates gathered for their national conference in Wynn's Hotel in Dublin today, where they discussed tackling the cost of living and housing crisis, protecting Irish neutrality in the triple lock, gender-based violence and building a socialist alternative for Ireland. The conference location is in Dublin Central, where a by-election will soon take place, and there were calls for a strong left transfer pact in all upcoming elections.
We saw it around, for example, the Catherine Connolly presidential campaign, that when the parties of the left came together, they became more than the sum of their parts. They really inspired people about the possibility of change, and we think that can be replicated.
The conference heard much criticism of the war in Iran by the US and Israel, the deaths that have been brought about, and the fuel crisis spreading across the world. Related to the war and what the UN has defined as genocide in Gaza, there were also calls to boycott the upcoming Israel-Ireland Nations League soccer match in October.
The only people who can stop it is ordinary people organising a boycott, from the ground up. Obviously clubs to make objections, but we need to organise a campaign, as was done against, sports washing of apartheid.
People Before Profit Solidarity have 3 TDs and 9 local councillors, and an MLA and 2 councillors in Northern Ireland. Joe McGraley, RTE News.